First of all, congratulations to me for my consistency and perseverance. Maintaining a YouTube channel for 18 years is a testament to my dedication. Every subscriber counts, and those 18 people saw value in your content and chose to subscribe. Now, don't be like me. If you're interested in growing your channel, consider the following tips. Content evaluation. Reflect on the content you produce. Is it relevant to a broader audience? Try to gauge if there's a gap between what you produce and what the target audience might be looking for. Engage with your audience. Interact with your subscribers and any viewers in the comments. Ask them for feedback or what kind of content they'd like to see. Regular uploads. Consistency can be key. A more regular upload schedule can increase your visibility and engagement. Video optimization. Make sure you use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes your videos more discoverable. Thumbnail and title. An engaging thumbnail and a compelling title can make a significant difference in getting clicks on your videos. Promote your videos. Share your content on other social platforms, blogs, forums, or any other relevant platform where your target audience might be present. Collaborate. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a new audience. Team up with creators who have content similar or complementary to yours. Quality over quantity. It's essential to produce quality content that provides value. Whether it's entertainment, information, or a unique perspective, ensure your content delivers. Stay updated. YouTube's algorithm and best practices evolve. Stay updated with the platform's changes and adapt accordingly. Never stop learning. Take time to learn from other successful YouTubers, attend webinars, or even consider online courses on video production and YouTube growth. Remember, growth on platforms like YouTube can sometimes be slow, but with the right strategies and a touch of patience, you can see improvement. Celebrate every milestone, whether big or small, and continue to create content you're passionate about.